A weak subwoofer wastes a great stereo system. This roundup breaks down 10 of the best car subwoofers for deep bass, covering shallow mounts, budget picks, and high-output monsters. Every option here solves a specific problem: tight trunk space, tight budget, or the need for maximum output. Stick around, because the right subwoofer for your car is on this list. Number 1. Skar Audio ZVX15V2D2. The Skar Audio ZVX15V2D2 closes out this list as the most extreme output option available. This 15-inch subwoofer handles 1500 watts RMS continuously, with 3000 watts of peak power. A dual 2-ohm voice coil, built on a 3-inch former, manages serious heat under sustained play. A triple slug magnet structure adds motor strength most subwoofers in this guide simply don't have. Long throw excursion lets the cone move further, translating directly into higher maximum output. Sensitivity sits around 84 decibels, so it stays efficient despite its massive power handling. This subwoofer needs a serious enclosure and a matched high-power amplifier to perform at its best. For anyone chasing maximum room-shaking bass, this is the last subwoofer on this list you will need. Number 2. Alpine R2-W10D2. The Alpine R2-W10D2 brings noticeably more output than older 10-inch subwoofers in the same size class. Power handling reaches 750 watts RMS, with a peak rating of 2250 watts. A dual 2-ohm voice coil configuration gives installers several wiring options for different amplifiers. Double-stacked magnets and a Faraday ring work together to keep output clean at higher volumes. The Kevlar-reinforced cone resists flex and warping even during long sessions at high power. Frequency response spans 26 to 200 Hz, with sensitivity rated around 82 decibels. That combination lets it produce strong output without needing an oversized amplifier to match. Drivers upgrading from an entry-level subwoofer will hear the difference immediately with this pick. Number 3. MTX Terminator TNE212D. The MTX Terminator TNE212D skips the guesswork with a complete, plug-and-play dual subwoofer package. It pairs two 12-inch subwoofers in a preloaded sealed enclosure at 4 ohms combined. The system handles 400 watts RMS, with 1200 watts of peak power available. Everything arrives matched and ready, so there is no need to research separate boxes or wiring diagrams. Aviation-grade carpet and a reinforced enclosure keep the build looking clean over years of use. Thermal management features in the enclosure help both subwoofers stay cool during extended bass-heavy sessions. This setup works well behind a mono amplifier without any custom box building required. First-time builders who want strong bass without a custom install should start with this package. Number 4. Kicker CompRT 10. Kicker's CompRT 10 is the pick for tight mounting depth and real bass. Mounting depth stays under 4 inches, making it one of the shallowest true subwoofers on this list. Power handling reaches up to 400 watts RMS, with 800 watts of peak capacity. Dual voice coils, available in 2-ohm or 4-ohm configurations, add wiring flexibility for different amps. A Santoprene surround and sealed steel basket protect the motor from weather and daily wear. Kicker's forced air cooling design helps the subwoofer run meaningfully cooler than older shallow mount models. It performs best in a sealed or ported enclosure, matched to around 400 watts of power. Anyone working around a truck seat, false floor, or tight SUV space should look here first. Number 5. Pioneer TSWX10D2. The Pioneer TSWX10D2 solves a different problem: getting real bass with zero installation headaches. This 8-inch subwoofer is fully powered with a built-in Class D amplifier already wired in. Maximum output reaches 160 watts, with 50 watts of nominal power for daily listening. It slides under most seats or behind a truck bench without eating into cargo room. Frequency response covers 40 to 200 Hz, enough for punchy present bass without harshness. Sensitivity is rated at 98 decibels, making it efficient even off smaller factory amplifiers. It accepts either speaker level or RCA input, so it connects to nearly any factory or aftermarket stereo. Drivers who want bass without cutting into trunk space or hiring an installer will appreciate this one most. Number 6. Kenwood eXcelon KFC XW1041. The Kenwood eXcelon KFC XW1041 is the most compact-friendly pick for small trunks in this guide. This 10-inch subwoofer handles 300 watts RMS continuously, with a peak rating of 1300 watts. A single 4-ohm voice coil keeps installation simple for factory or aftermarket head units. Its X-motif cone design uses a diamond array pattern for added rigidity without extra weight. Frequency response runs from 33 to 300 Hz, well suited to hatchbacks and compact sedans. It works in enclosures as small as roughly 2/3 of a cubic foot, which few full-size subs can match. Sensitivity comes in around 84 decibels, keeping output respectable even on modest power. Anyone building a first system around limited space should start here. Number 7. Kicker CompR12. Kicker's CompR12 is the budget-friendly pick for drivers who still want strong bass. Power handling ranges from 175 to 500 watts RMS, topping out near 1000 watts peak. The dual 2-ohm voice coil design pairs well with affordable mono amplifiers. An injection-molded polypropylene cone and rubber surround keep this sub durable through daily use. Frequency response spans 25 to 500 Hz, giving it flexibility across music genres. Sensitivity sits near 87 decibels, so it stays loud without needing excessive power. Kicker recommends a sealed or ported enclosure paired with around 500 watts for best results. This is the subwoofer to grab when the goal is real bass on a tight budget. Number 8. Rockford Fosgate Punch P3D412. The Rockford Fosgate Punch P3D412 balances output and everyday reliability better than most subs in this guide. It is rated at 600 watts RMS, with 1200 watts of peak handling for transient hits. Dual 4-ohm voice coils make it easy to wire with common amplifier setups. Rockford Fosgate's VAST technology increases usable cone area by up to 25% without changing the sub's mounting size. An anodized aluminum cone and dust cap resist wear from years of daily driving. Vented spider design helps the motor stay cooler during long listening sessions. Sensitivity lands around 85 decibels, giving it solid output without demanding a huge amplifier. This subwoofer suits drivers who want dependable, everyday bass rather than a competition-only build. Number 9. The Skar Audio High-Output 12-inch Subwoofer. Skar Audio's high-output 12-inch subwoofer is the value pick for anyone chasing serious output on a budget. This 12-inch subwoofer handles up to 1250 watts RMS, with 2500 watts of peak power available. A dual 2-ohm voice coil setup gives installers flexible wiring options for different amplifier configurations. Frequency response runs from 25 to 250 Hz, tuned more toward output than ultra-low extension. Sensitivity sits around 85 decibels, so it does not need a massive amplifier to get loud. The voice coil uses a 4-layer aluminum design that manages heat well under sustained power. Competition-style bass heads often choose this sub as their entry point into serious SPL builds. It is a strong choice for drivers who want headroom now and room to add more power later. Number 10. JL Audio Reference 12-inch Subwoofer. The JL Audio Reference 12-inch subwoofer sets the bar for reference-quality deep bass in this guide. It is a 12-inch subwoofer built to rise JL Audio's W-cone design, engineered for accuracy at extreme excursion. Power handling reaches up to 1000 watts of continuous RMS power, with 2000 watts of peak headroom for occasional bursts. A single 3-ohm voice coil keeps wiring simple for most amplifier setups. Frequency response spans 18 to 200 Hz, reaching lower than most subwoofers in this class. That range matters for anyone chasing clean musical bass instead of one-note boom. The cone uses a polyester foam surround paired with the W-cone geometry for long-term durability under heavy use. It fits a compact sealed enclosure or a slightly larger ported box, depending on the tone you want. For listeners who value precision over raw noise, this is the reference pick in the lineup. That is 10 of the best car subwoofers for deep bass, covering nearly every budget, install type, and power goal. Start with your trunk space and your amplifier's output before choosing a size or wiring configuration. Match the subwoofer to your enclosure, and don't skip proper wiring gauge for your power level. If one of these picks matches your setup, the links are in the description below. Which subwoofer are you installing next? Let us know in the comments.